Hi, this is Jason from Tardigrade Outdoors, and this product that I've made is a gripper for the Camelbak quick release system, and it goes on just like this. So when you are in the field, you're out backpacking, and you want to fill your reservoir, just press a button and then grab the gripper. And it's because I had a backpacking partner who just had difficulty with their hands. So this can get kind of difficult trying to get a grip on the hair. She actually didn't have fingernails. So this gripper just slides over at home, slides over the connector or the bite valve, quick release bite valve. It slides on just like that. So it just makes it a lot easier to remove that grip in the field. I'd suspect this would also make it a lot easier to use this system with gloves, but no, it would make it a lot easier to work with gloves. And it's pretty simple. These are made in San Jose by me, small independent, hope to be manufacturer.